What is up, you guys? Welcome back to today's episode. Today's episode, I'm going to be showing you guys how to maintain your car in a perfect condition, well, to the best of your abilities. All right. So in this episode, make sure you guys check the description below. I'm going to make sure that I keep the time span so you can skim through whichever method you like to see more. You can skip through that. Nonetheless, you can watch the entire video. I appreciate that. Make sure you guys hit the like button, and also if this help you out, make sure you subscribe. All right, moving on. Number one is the hot water and the plunger trick. So pretty much if you have a dent, I'm pretty sure most of you have a dent on your car. The hot water and the plunger is definitely a quick fix solution without you going to a body shop to get that done. So pretty much what you have to do is make sure that your water is really like boiling hot, and you grab yourself a plunger, put the plunger on you where your dent is, and then pour the hot water. So that plunger is going to release the pressure of that dent, and obviously it's not going to be perfect, but it's going to be less noticeable. So that's going to help you save some time and save you some money to go to a body shop. So it's just a quick fix, nothing too shabby about that. So yeah, moving on. Number two is the toothpaste on a dirty headlight. If you've never tried this, I've personally witnessed this, and I will be the first to say it kind of do work. So yeah, if you haven't tried, just give it a try. I mean, it doesn't hurt. Everybody has a toothpaste in your home. If you don't, then go get a toothpaste, alright? And make sure you brush your teeth too. I'm just kidding, yo. Definitely not. Brush your teeth. Alright, so take the toothpaste, apply that toothpaste on your headlight, and obviously use either a toothbrush or use a cloth and scrub it, and that should be able to help you out with your headlight, okay, or even with your fog light. All right, number three, we're gonna be going with shower caddy. So if you're the kind of person that you're always traveling with kids or doing a lot of like grocery, whatever it is, and you always have a lot of stuff in your trunk, so a shower caddy is gonna definitely help you to organize your trunk a little bit better. You can use that, or even use a hamper or your laundry basket. Definitely those stuff are definitely gonna help you to organize your stuff. Like let's say you're traveling with flashlight, like a face eight stuff, flashlight, funnel, towels. You can definitely use the shower caddy, or use like I said, a laundry basket to help you put all your stuff in there. All right, but I would definitely advise you to have a first aid kit in your trunk as well, and you never know where you're gonna get stuck, you feel me? All right, moving on with number four is using a pool noodle. So this is gonna help you to prevent a dent. Okay, so obviously when you're parking your car in your garage, sometimes the garage may be too tight, and when you open your door, dang, boom, and you chip off your paint, or you may get a dent on your car, whatever the case is. So if you do apply, like, just cut a piece of a pool noodle, a lot of, like, I mean, we'll call it floaty, so whichever way you call it, just get a piece, stick that on, like, on the wall where you normally open your door, or you get like a long piece, you feel me, then just put that there, because obviously whenever you park, it's never the same. And so next time when you open your door, it's gonna hit on that noodle or the floaty, and that's definitely gonna help you without with less damage on your car. All right, moving on. Number five is, if you're the kind of person that you always eating in your car, and you just leave your trash in your car, you dirty ass. Anyways, make sure, obviously you're not gonna start littering, because when you start littering, then you may get a fine for litter. So you want to have a trash can. So the easy solution, the two way you can do this, either you get a plastic bag, which I'm pretty sure majority of y'all gonna forget the plastic bag in your car, so get like a cereal box. No, it's not a cereal box, but a cereal bin where you normally put your cereal. So use one of those, leave it in your car. Obviously it's plastic, so definitely you're gonna have the urge to get that out of your car. So have that in your car, so every time you eating or you're having a snack, whatever it is, or you're having passengers in your car that leave shit in your car. Yeah, I hate those kind of passengers that come to your car, eat, and leave your trash in there. Disgusting. Don't let them in anymore. Get them out or charge them a fee. But nonetheless, have that cereal bin in your car, and yeah, it's gonna help you to keep the trash away from your car and keep your car clean, so you don't have to go to a detailer to pay excessive amount of money to get that car clean. Alright, moving on. Next we have reducing glare with a plastic tent. Shit, this is so stupid. Alright, just freaking go get your window tinted. Okay, so this year is, I'm just saying this for like people that are kind of lazy and don't want to go, or they feel like, oh, getting a window tint is kind of pricey. Nah, it's worth every penny. Okay, it helps you with the sun, with the glare, and gives you better visibility. At the end of the day, your safety comes first, so don't worry about how much you're gonna spend. Obviously, the less you can spend, the better it is, but it's your car. If you can afford your car, you can afford the window tint. Okay, so using this method is a temporary fix, so it's definitely not a fix where, okay, you can use it from time, because every time you use that plastic shit, you're always gonna have to change it. It can last you a couple days, but you're definitely gonna have to change it, because obviously the sun is always gonna be hitting, and yeah, not safety wise, not very good. You can get your car on fire or whatever, so just get yourself a window tint and you should be fine. Alright, spend the money. Alright, moving on, we have this. Alright, it works and it doesn't work. Okay, so it's less frost by parking your car facing the east. Okay, so there's some, yes, it could work where, you know, you're facing the east, and when it snows, it doesn't really affect the other side of your car, the side that's facing east. But you in Canada, bro, if you're in Canada with the weather that we get, that doesn't really work that much. Alright, your car, if you're having a blizzard, forget it. Your entire car is gonna be covered with snow. So that could work. That it works like also maybe 10% of the time. So with places like, you know, that have less snow, sure, absolutely go for it. Alright, you're gonna have to clean less snow on your car, so yeah, it is what it is. Alright, so the last but not the least is pretty much having your key range, your car key range, to, you know, to extend your car key range. So pretty much some cars do have a limit on your range of your car keys. I've tried this method before. If you know what method I'm talking about and you've used this method, please leave it down in the comment below. So it's pretty much having your car key pointed at, I use it, I put it on my forehead and it actually works, but you can put it under your chin, and that's gonna extend the range of your key fob. So definitely, if you don't believe me, definitely go experiment this. Like, walk away from your car and see how far you can go without putting your lock, like, you know, when you're locking your car or unlocking your car, see how far you can go without you putting the car key on your chin or your forehead, whatever it is, just by you doing your normal stuff. So when you stop, then once you reach that point, then use your forehead or your under your chin and try to see if that's gonna work. You feel me? So yeah, definitely give it a try. It's fun. Alright, and the last one is, if you have a messy kit in your car, the best solution, I ain't gonna hold you, don't carry your kid in your car. Like, he or she gonna stay home. Okay, alright, I'm playing. The best thing to do is to have a toy that your kid can play with without any disruption. Meaning, if you're giving them a toy that they kind of used to with it, and they get bored, they're just gonna, you know, throw it away. And obviously having food in the car and being all messy and crying and all, I wish you the best, yo. Honestly, there's no quick fix with this, no cap. Even though you may find some videos that say do so and do so, it may work, it may not work, I don't know. Nonetheless, just leave the kid at home and try your best not to carry your kid that's pretty much what I got for you, yo. If this video helped you and you've done this before, please leave it down in the comment below. But if it helped you, please consider subscribing, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Alright.